Question of PDE, right? This is first order PDE, okay? Okay, this is called first order PDE. Understood? This is second order derivative PDE, right? Second order PDE. Okay, if any PDE in this form, del x square b del x del y and so many variables are there. If b square minus 4ac, right, is greater than 0, right? Then this is called hyperbolic PDE. Hyperbolic. Understood? Yes. And if hyperbolic PD is there, then PDE becomes like this. C squared. Okay, you can check. And this is generally wave equation. Okay, this is first PDE, right? Yes. If b square minus 4ac less than 0, this is called elliptical. Okay. Yes. For example, this. This is called Laplace equation. Laplace transform is different, huh? Laplace equation. Okay. Yes. And third thing, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then this is called parabolic PDE. Understood? For example, this. This is called heat equation. Okay. You can note down this. No, no. See. Less than 0. So when this is less than 0, this happens only when a is equal to 1. You can write this also, b is equal to 0, c is equal to 1. Okay. Yes. And for this paraboloid, okay, for this, for first equation, a is equal to c square. Okay. C is any constant. B is equal to 0 and c is equal to -1. Okay. Understood? Noted? Yes. See, in first equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, and c is equal to 0. When you put here b square minus 4ac, what will you get? 0, right now? 0. So the v square minus 4ac 0 means parabolic. And parabolic is heat equation. So this is a heat equation, right? Yes. Second equation is a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 1. When you solve this, what you are getting? Positive. Positive means hyperbolic, right? Third equation is a is equal to x, b is equal to 0, c is equal to I. And you know x product of xy is greater than 0. So when you find b square minus 4ac, you will get minus 4xy. Minus 4xy means negative. Negative is what? Hyperbolic. If xy is equal to 0, then parabolic. Understood? Yes. See fourth one. A is equal to x square, b is equal to 0, c is equal to 1 minus y square. Find b square minus 4ac. B square means 0, 4 into a into c. Since it is given what? X is minus infinity to infinity. Means when you do square of x, you will get positive. And 1 minus y square is greater than 0. So b square minus 4ac must be less than 0 if x is not 0. This is elliptical. Okay? Yes. Understood? See, in this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, c is equal to x square plus 4y square. Right? So find b square minus 4ac. Four x square minus x minus. But you cannot decide it is positive or negative. Right? Yes. So it is elliptical when 16 minus 4x square minus y square is less than 0. Indirectly, you can say x square plus 4y square is greater than 4. Then only this is elliptical. And this is parabolic only when 16 minus 4x square, 16y square is equal to 0. X square plus 4y square is equal to 4. And this is hyperbolic only when this is positive, right? For hyperbolic. It means 4y square less than 4. Understood? So it depends on the condition.